Watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Engaging in creative DIY wooden crafts not only allows for artistic expression but also offers a fantastic opportunity to create products for sale. Wooden items are timeless, versatile, and appeal to a wide range of customers, making them ideal for both novice and experienced woodworkers looking to monetize their skills. Transforming simple pieces of wood into beautifully crafted items can be both rewarding and profitable. Here's a comprehensive guide to various project ideas that can inspire your next woodworking venture. One of the most sought-after wooden crafts is the creation of personalized cutting boards. These functional items are staples in kitchens and can make great gifts for weddings, housewarmings, or anniversaries. By selecting high-quality hardwood like maple or walnut, you can create boards that are not only durable but also aesthetically pleasing. Consider adding personalized engravings such as family names, quotes, or significant dates to enhance their value. Various shapes can be crafted, from classic rectangular boards to unique designs like heart-shaped or monogrammed options. By offering different sizes and styles, you can cater to a broader audience, making this a versatile product. Another popular woodworking project lies in crafting wooden coasters. Coasters are often overlooked, yet they make excellent gifts and home essentials. Using scrap wood, you can create a set of coasters that are both functional and decorative. Consider experimenting with different woods to create contrasting designs, or explore techniques like wood burning to add intricate patterns or initials. To further increase their appeal, you could package the coasters in attractive sets, perhaps with a matching holder. Not only do these coasters help protect surfaces, but they also serve as stylish decor elements, drawing in customers looking for both functionality and aesthetics. Wooden signs are another highly marketable craft. With the rise of farmhouse and rustic decor, personalized wooden signs have gained immense popularity. These can range from simple directional signs for gardens to more intricate designs with quotes and family names. To create these signs, select weather-resistant wood or finish them with a protective coating for outdoor use. Using stencils, hand lettering, or even vinyl decals can help you achieve professional-looking results. Signs can be customized to reflect personal interests, making them ideal gifts or home decor items that resonate emotionally with buyers. Moving to the realm of home decor, wooden photo frames are classic items that never go out of style. Handmade frames can make photographs stand out and add a nostalgic touch to any space. You can create frames in different sizes, styles, and finishes, from rustic to sleek and modern. Enhance their appeal by adding decorative elements such as beadwork, carvings, or paints. Offering the option to customize frames with names or personalized messages can encourage customers to purchase for gifts. With the ongoing trend of gallery walls, these frames can become a favorite among those looking to adorn their homes creatively. Wall art is another exciting avenue to explore. Creating abstract or thematic wooden wall decor can tap into various customer preferences. Using different techniques such as layering pieces of wood to create depth or incorporating paint for color, you can produce beautiful, eye-catching pieces. Geometric designs, nature-inspired themes, or even minimalist art can attract diverse clientele. Each wall art piece can tell a story and become a conversation starter, making them an appealing option for shoppers. For those looking to capitalize on functional items, consider crafting wooden kitchen utensils. Spoons, spatulas, and serving utensils can be crafted from smaller cuts of wood, offering a useful item that people will appreciate. Handmade kitchen items possess a charm that mass-produced alternatives often lack, and by sanding them down thoroughly and applying food-safe finishes, you create durable and attractive products. Personalization options such as engravings of names or unique designs may help set your products apart in the market. Another unique selling point can be found in crafting a wooden jewelry holder or organizer. Many people struggle with keeping their jewelry untangled and organized. By designing a stylish wooden holder, you create a functional solution that can be beautifully displayed. Using various techniques like combining wood with cork or fabric for added texture allows for creativity in design. You may opt for minimalist designs to appeal to modern aesthetics or elaborately carved pieces for a bohemian vibe. The versatility of these organizers can attract a wide range of buyers. Additionally, small wooden toys or educational tools are great crafts that not only appeal to parents but can also capture the attention of educational institutions. Simple designs for stacking toys, puzzles, or building blocks can be made from non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for children. Personalized options such as engraved names or shapes can make these items more appealing. These products not only promote imaginative play but can also serve as decorative items in children's rooms, thus blending functionality with style. For pet lovers, consider developing wooden custom-designed wine racks or bottle holders can also become a great selling point. Utilizing reclaimed wood or creatively arranged planks can result in stunning wine displays that enhance home decor. Wine enthusiasts appreciate unique designs that protect and showcase their collections. Offering various sizes or styles from wall-mounted racks to tabletop holders allows for broader appeal. Consider adding personalized engravings for a more upscale approach, especially for gifts or special occasions. Another essential for any DIY woodworker is crafting unique planters. Wooden planters can add charm to indoor or outdoor gardens, promoting greenery in people's homes and backyards. Building planter boxes, herb garden setups, or tiered vertical gardens allows you to tap into the growing interest in gardening and sustainability. Using weather-resistant treatments will help ensure their longevity outdoors. You can personalize these planters with custom engravings or designs, making them perfect gifts for green thumbs. Key holders or organizers made from wood can serve practical uses while being aesthetically pleasing. The importance of an organized home, especially in entryways, makes key organizers a desirable item. Designing wooden key racks with hooks and decorative elements can enhance functionality and decor. Personalizing these projects with names or sayings can make them attractive gift items too. Wooden bookmarks offer a small but thoughtful craft idea that can also generate sales. Book lovers appreciate unique handcrafted bookmarks that stand out from the typical store-bought options. Cutting and shaping wooden pieces to create beautiful bookmarks involves not only artistry but also the opportunity for engraving quotes or illustrations. These can serve as perfect additions to local bookstores or craft fairs. When it comes to appealing to the seasonal market, consider creating holiday-themed items, such as wooden ornaments or decorations. These crafts can align with various holidays from Christmas to Halloween, allowing for a year-round selling opportunity. Personalizing these ornaments for families or events captures a sentimental market, ensuring that buyers will want to keep them for years. Building wooden puzzles can also pique interest, especially among parents looking for educational toys for their children. You can create simple shapes or color-themed puzzles from scraps of plywood, making them both fun and functional. By incorporating intricate designs or characters, you can create engaging products that make learning enjoyable. Moreover, creating unique furniture pieces like stools or side tables can allow you to leverage woodworking skills while producing items that customers find valuable. A rustic stool or contemporary side table can find a place in various homes, transforming spaces effortlessly. Offering customizable sizes and finishes can make your pieces more desirable to a wider audience. Creating a line of products based around seasonal decor items, such as wooden wreaths or tabletop centerpieces, can also prove profitable. These items can be themed around different seasons, allowing you to appeal to customers looking to refresh their home decor regularly. Using a combination of wood and other natural elements, like dried flowers or foliage, can create products that feel abundant and inviting. As you develop your woodworking crafts, consider the importance of quality and presentation. Utilizing sanders, good finishes, and proper construction techniques ensure that your products are durable and aesthetically pleasing. High-quality items create trust with customers, encouraging repeat business and recommendations. Additionally, branding your business can enhance the appeal of your crafts. Consider designing a logo, business cards, or labels that reflect your style and values. Creating an online presence through social media or craft platforms can also help market your products effectively. Engaging with potential customers by sharing your crafting process or finished projects can improve interest and drive sales. Consider participating in local craft shows, farmers markets, or online marketplaces to reach a wider audience. Building a network with local artisans can also open the door to collaborations and new opportunities. These connections can provide invaluable exposure and enrich your woodworking journey. With thoughtful creativity, practical skills, and attention to detail, developing a line of creative DIY wooden crafts allows you to blend passion with opportunity. Simple woodworking projects can turn into successful items that resonate with a diverse range of customers. By investing time and effort in crafting and marketing your creations, you can establish a fulfilling venture that not only showcases your skills but also brings joy to others. Embrace the journey of woodworking and let it lead you into new realms of creativity and entrepreneurship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.